Hi, this is Mounding from the Dougherty Garden. Today we are looking at a landscape project that I work on a daily basis, and it's basically getting rid of the weeds. There's the weeds, and they go all over the place. But what I do is I carve out a section with my little handy toy rake and bare out the soil down to the depth of the bricks that I use for the edging, and I remove all the soil, pile it into the dirt, and then just take you over here next to the point. We walk into my little grading area. Basically, a few years ago, I found trays of plant stock. We normally throw them out. I collect it because they have these little holes. And what I do is I use that little rake, another purpose, gathering soil into a pile. I take this pile of dirt, put it into this tray over here, and I hold the tray and I shake the dirt out over my little blending area. You can see there's a few weeds over there, but I get the hand pull them out when I sit down in my little nice plastic chair. And I remove the weeds, but for now I just sift the sand there, or I'll sift it into a pot to gather the soil, and I usually take it from a mound of dirt that I usually use gathering with either my rake or that little small rake that I have. And the debris that's in the tray, which is usually these weeds, I pull out, and then after I pull out all the big weeds, I shake them again over the area that I need some the soil to add up, and then apply it. When the soil up, I'll just take out the remaining weeds and throw them out. And then, since this is a work area over here, I'm not too crazy about putting in any emulsion, but basically as I'm sifting the soil, I'm removing any large pieces of mulch and then throw them back into the garden, and they'll get in there eventually. And end result is I have a clean garden free of weeds. The mulch is removed. I cover with good mulch on top, so that's Marty's today's little gathering some of the weeds in the Dougherty Garden. And it's more from that pile. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.